In today's video tutorial, we're going to show you how to install BlueStacks on Windows 11 directly onto your desktop PC or your laptop computer. To get started, we'll go to the official website link. Just remember, I'll be sure to leave that link for you in the description box or in the pinned comment below. Now, click where it says Download BlueStacks. We download it, the installation file will appear. Click on it. Wait a minute. A prompt will appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. The BlueStacks installation wizard will appear. As you can see, you can change the installation directory by clicking where it says Change. Click Change Folder. Select the folder where you want to install BlueStacks. For example, I want to leave it on this PC in the C drive. Click Accept and then click Install Now. Wait a moment while it completes the process. It takes a couple of minutes. Wait a moment for it to install and for all the files to be installed. Here you can see that BlueStacks is opening. I'm going to maximize the window. Here we are in the control panel. If you want to go to the home page, in the top left corner, there's a home icon. Click on it. Go to System Apps. Here you'll find Camera, Settings, Chrome, Media Manager, and Play Store. If you want to download any app, you can go to the official Play Store, simply sign in with your Google account, and begin the process of downloading your Android apps on Windows. And that's it. That's how you successfully install BlueStacks on Windows 11 on your desktop PC or laptop.